Hey guys, Larry Brooks here, and I just picked up a product from one of my brand partners that I'm really excited about. I got a 2-pack of these LED ceiling mounted shop lights, and right out of the box I am super impressed with these things. First by how clean and how nice they look, really well put together, super minimalist kind of design, and extremely lightweight. Like, I've used so many different kinds of LED lights that have really heavy drivers in them, but this thing is super lightweight, really nice aluminum strong frame that's built onto this thing, and it's got a couple of different settings on it right here that allow me to change the color coolness and also the wattage, so how powerful this light is. So I'm gonna hook one of these up and let you see how I do that, and then we'll take a look at what this looks like in my shop. So stoked to get an upgrade in my art studio. So let's see how this guy works. So this really couldn't get any easier. There's just one screw to remove here and open this panel up, and that exposes the wires that you need to hook the power up, and then also a connection for a dimmer that you can hook up to this if you choose to do so, which is a really nice feature. So yeah, I just pop the little disc out, put this panel back on, wire this thing up to a plug. Now here are the switches where you can adjust the coolness of the light from 6500 over to 3000. Here you can adjust the wattage, and then these little hooks which are adjustable that you can turn to use to hang this or to put it in a drop ceiling. Alright, so check this out. So nice. This is such a major upgrade for me in here. I mean, this thing, it got hung up so easily, and it casts this really clean light. I have it on one of the brighter settings, and yeah, it's the daytime in here right now, but I really like how clear this light is. So whenever I'm working on art projects in here, I'm going to be able to see in high def is what it feels like. So yeah, I'm really happy with this thing. I got a 2-pack. I'm going to put the other one up over here for whenever I really need to illuminate this space for intricate projects that I'm working on. So yeah, I'm stoked on this. They sell these on Amazon. Check these guys out.